In 2023, naging member ka ng Actors Branch of the Academy of Motion Picture and Arts and Sciences. Ito yung grupo na pumipili, di ba, ng mga nominees
Yes.
at ng mga winners.
Yes.
Wow, how proud are you to be part of this group? And how did you become part of this?
Sobra, Sir Boy. Nung lumabas yung Triangle of Sadness, may natanggap akong email inviting me to be a member of the Actors Branch of the AMPAS. Tapos, ang una kong ginawa is, screenshot ko yung email, sinend ko kay Adam. Tapos sabi ko, totoo ba to?
Parang
Scam
scam.
ba to? Oo, kasi, di ba, sabi niya, no, that's real. They're inviting you. Sabi ko, okay. So, syempre, it's really an honor.
Of
Kasi
course.
parang, bukod sa, importante para sa akin yung marinig yung boses natin bilang artist, importante rin marinig yung boses natin bilang Pilipino. Kasi minority tayo eh. I've always said this many times, minority tayo within a minority group.
Tama.
So, ngayon, masasabi kong hindi na, hopefully, and in the long run, hindi. Kasi may right tayong bumoto at may right tayong magsalita kung sino sa tingin natin ang karapat-dapat na mga manominate. Kaya diligent ako pagdating dyan, Sir Boy. Every time na award season, pinapanood ko talaga as much as possible. Hindi ko kaya panoorin lahat, pero as much as possible, pinapanood ko as many as I can at bumuboto ako every year. Ever since naging member ako, lagi ako bumuboto.
Clarification lang. Ang bumuboto sa Best Actor are actors or the whole Academy?
Sa first stage for nominations, actors lang.
Okay.
Okay, and then pag may mga nominees na, lahat na, directors na, writers, lahat ng members ang bumoboto.
In your heart of hearts, do you wish that one day, ang sarap, no? Merong Pinoy, merong Dolly De Leon, merong isang Pinoy actor who would be in the running, di ba, for an acting category.
Yes, that would be such an honor. I mean,
Na
parang...
nagawa mo na sa Golden Globe at saka sa BAFTA?
It would be an honor. Dati, hindi importante sa akin nung nangyayari yan. Pero ngayon nakikita ko yung importance kasi lalo na yung nangyari kay Alex Ayala, yung pride na experience ng buong country nung nanalo siya a few times sa Wimbledon, di ba? Nung qualifying round niya. So parang kailangan natin ng ganong enthusiasm at ganong motivation para mas galingan pa natin.